Hi, I'm Kerri Hollywood, and today I'm going to show you a very quick appetizer, a life hack. When you need that fast appetizer because you're either pressed for time before dinner or you just found out someone's coming over and you still need time to start the meal. So here's a few things you're gonna need. So here is our finished appetizer. I made a kind of a baked bruschetta. The nice thing is all you need on hand is some kind of ready-to-go pizza crust or pizza dough. You can even make this into any shape you want. At Christmas time, you could do triangles to look like a tree and then do the twist. It makes it look like you've put in a lot of work and you really didn't. Of course, the ingredients you choose for inside could be anything from spinach dips and cheddar cheese to pizza toppings. So get creative and make a quick appetizer when you need something fast to hold people's hungry tummies until dinner. Make sure you keep watching us on social media at PSP Kingston. PSP Kingston, the health and wellness provider for the military community.